Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap both of the package. One is this one is the Overdyed pocket tee, purple color, extra large. I pay $58 for this one plus $10 shipping. The tax is $5.08. So the total is $73.08 for this Overdyed pocket tee. And then this one is the diamond plate Zippo metal. Retails $54, $10 shipping, and then $4.73 for the tax. So the total for that Zippo is $68.73. So, like always, you always get this nice shopping bag. So I got two of this Supreme box logo sticker. This Supreme Ziploc bag. So be sure to look for this sticker, Overdyed pocket tee. The barcode number. This one is the Spring Summer 19 KN70. Purple color, extra large. So this one you got the nice stitching Supreme right here, like a tag font. Not sure why there's a tissue paper on the back. There's no graphic or anything, so. So you got the Supreme 100% cotton, extra large. Not sure why they cut this like that. It looks kind of funny and ugly. So here is your pocket right here. And here is your Supreme wash tag. It is 100% cotton, made in China. Go ahead and check on this Zippo. looks kind of dirty. I have a special viewer want me to do the ASMR on this one, so let's go and do that 2-in-1. So I'm gonna cut this open real quick. Wow, look at that. So I got this nice Supreme shopping bag, like always. Let's go ahead and take it out. So I got two of the Supreme sticker, box logo sticker, like always. So this is the metal Zippo lighter, genuine Zippo lighter, made in USA. Be sure you are gonna have this sticker, diamond plate Zippo. There is your barcode. Be sure you get this A16SS19. So this is a nice hard cardboard box. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, look at that. This is a made in USA Zippo. Got a nice Supreme box logo right there on the front. Wow, pretty quite heavy. It says congratulations on your purchase of this quality Zippo product. For great tips and hints on the care of your new lighter, visit zippo.com/care. Also, did you know that genuine Zippo products are legally protected by patents and registered design? Visit www.zippos.com/patent for details. So there's your patent number. So on the top left and right hand side, you got like a screw, and on the bottom as well. And then there's your warning sticker right here. It says made in USA. Bradford, Pennsylvania, Zippo. So I think this is like a diamond plate, it's like a glue on or something. And if you want to look at the hinges, I don't think I want to open it. It is for the resale value or resale, so anyway, hopefully you guys give thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. But be sure to stay tuned for the China party fit for this pocket tee. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.